Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Paul Morphy and Thomas Worrall. This very beautiful chess game was played in New York in 1857. Note that Paul Morphy was playing without the knight. Morphy had white pieces and he started with e4. Worrall played e5, f4, king's gambit, pawn takes pawn, king's gambit accepted, knight to f3, g5, bishop to c4, and now g4. White to move. There was a game in which Morphy played d4 in this position. But in this position, he is playing without a knight. So how should white continue now? Paul Morphy continued per usual. d4, g takes on f3, and Morphy castled king's side. Bishop to h6. If f takes on g2, then probably bishop takes on f7, check, and after king takes on f7, rook takes on f4 check, and if knight to f6, e5, pinning and winning. Maybe. Back to our game. Bishop to h6, defending the pawn on f4. Queen takes on f3. Knight to c6. White to move. How would you continue now? Morphy sacrificed the bishop on f7 check. King takes on f7. Black is 3 pieces up, but his king is quite exposed. Queen to h5 check. King to g7. Bishop takes on f4. Bishop takes bishop. Rook takes on f4. Knight to h6 defending f7 square. Rook from a to f1. Queen to e8, hoping to exchange queens. Queen to h4. Black to move. This is the critical position of the game. How would you continue in this position if you had black pieces? Worrall played d6. Queen to g6 would offer the best resistance. But Worrall didn't want to lose his queen. If queen to g6, then probably rook to f6, and after rook to g8, rook takes on g6, h takes on g6. Like I said, this would be the best way to go, but Worrall loved his queen too much. Different people love different things. Some people even collect stamps. d6, intending to develop his light square bishop. Queen to f6 check, king to g8. Queen takes knight on h6. Bishop to d7. Rook from 4 to f3, intending rook to g3 check. Knight to e7, intending knight to g6, but now h4, welcoming party for the knight. Knight to g6. h5, attacking the knight can't move because the rook is coming to g3. Bishop to g4 was played, intending to at least destroy one of the white rooks. H takes on g6, h takes on g6. Let's take it back. If bishop takes on f3, then g7, and after queen to g6, queen takes on g6, h takes on g6, pawn takes rook, check, king takes queen, g takes on f3, king to g7, king to g2. With an extra pawn, white is easily winning in the endgame. Let's go back to our game. In the game we have h takes on g6. In this position, Paul Morphy announced checkmate in 3. Can you see checkmate in 3? First move, rook to f8 check. Queen takes rook. Rook takes queen check. Rook takes rook. And there is checkmate in 1. Queen takes on g6, check, mate. Epaulette, mate. Wow, what a skill. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.